How to remove a person from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can remove a person from Cash App, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to remove a person from Cash App, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch Cash App on your phone. Now let's say one of your contacts is showing up in your Cash App list. You don't want them to show up and then you want to completely remove them. The only way you can do this is by first of all tapping the search button over here, looking for the specific contact that you actually want to remove, which in my case would be this contact over here. So I will just select them over here and you can see different options, but in order to remove this person, what I have to do is I just need to scroll, and then right here at the bottom you'll find a section where it says block. So you want to make sure to tap on block. So it says this action will be cancel all pending transactions and block their ability to send or request money from you. So just tap on block and this person will be successfully removed. This is simply how you can block a person from Cash App. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.